Is launching an investigation into the Winneshiek County Sheriff after he said he would not assist with the immigration detainers unless a warrant is provided.
KCRG TV9's Abigail Curtin joins us live in the studio, and you spoke with one legal expert who had an opinion on the sheriff's actions as well as the state's.
That's right. Well, according to Iowa code, law enforcement must comply with any federal agency looking to detain an individual suspected of being here illegally. But the U.S. Constitution protects both citizens and non-citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures, which is why Sheriff Dan Marks pledged that unless there's a warrant, he won't help. This week, Winneshiek County Sheriff Dan Marks posted this statement on Facebook. He says that unless federal agencies like ICE provide a warrant signed by a judge, he won't assist them in immigration enforcement. And it's created a firestorm on social media. Especially once Governor Kim Reynolds responded, saying by not helping federal agencies, he's violating Iowa law. But Sheriff Marks argues he's upholding the Constitution, and one Cedar Rapids attorney agrees.
If they have the proper information, if they have enough probable cause, the judge is going to issue the warrant. If they don't, then they really shouldn't be running around breaking down doors and trying to find out if somebody is here legally or not.
Specifically, Sheriff Marks takes issue with what's called detainer requests. That's where a federal agency like ICE can temporarily detain someone without a warrant signed by a judge. He says this could lead to lawful citizens being held for crimes they didn't commit. Riley says this has already happened in other parts of the country.
Already there have been people who are citizens who have been rounded up, and that's going to happen even with a warrant. But at least with a warrant, a judge has looked at it and said, okay, you have probable cause to go in and raid this, and I don't think that that's asking too much.
Though it's not up to Riley to determine what happens next. It's up to Iowa Attorney General Brenna Bird now that Reynolds filed an official complaint against Marks. Now, the governor's letter to Sheriff Marks ends with a threat to withdraw state funds to the county and the sheriff's office if the attorney general rules against him. In studio, Abigail Curtin, KCRG TV9 News.
Abigail, thank you. And now here's meteorologist